In this video, let's understand what if we have two or more sets and what is the relation between union, intersection and the sets. Now guys, in this particular video, especially this video, is very important to solve couple of aptitude type of questions also. Okay, once you see the problems, you will understand that you might have come across these type of questions. Okay, and how sets are used in solving those aptitude type of questions. Okay, first let's understand the theory behind it. Suppose say we have three sets, okay, and we'll try to figure out the relation between the three sets. This is one thing. All right, suppose say we have three sets, say A, B, and C. Okay, and number of elements in the set, let it be represented as n of A, n of B, and n of C. Okay, so these are the number of elements in the set. Like suppose if I say that there is one category of people who reads only Hindu newspaper. Okay, there is one more category who reads only Times of India, and one more category some other one. Okay, now between A and B, there are some number of people who might read both, correct? So when I say read both of them, that becomes the intersection, correct? Now here, the relation between n of A, n of B, n of C and the intersection and the union. Union in the sense, how many people are there in total? Okay. So that relation between A, B, C is given by this particular formula, that is n of A union B union C. The entire all together, the total population, you can say. This is equal to n of A plus n of B plus n of C, first individual ones, then minus n of A intersection B minus n of B intersection C minus n of C intersection A, then plus n of A intersection B intersection C. This gives us the relation, that is this entire formula. I'm not talking about just one line here. So this entire formula, this gives the relation between A, B and C. Now, see, for three sets, we can use this. But in most of the cases, what we have is just two sets. Okay. So for two sets, the relation goes like this. If you have n of A union B, this is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Now this is a very important formula because we use this formula in many questions. Okay, a lot of questions we use this formula. Suppose if we are looking at disjoint sets. Remember disjoint sets? So where the intersection part is 0, in such cases n of A union B becomes n of A plus n of B. This is when you have disjoint. Okay, very specific. This is for disjoint sets. Clear? Now, let's do few problems based on the formulas whatever we have studied so far. Okay, just two formulas we had done. One for the two parts, which is this one, n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B, which most likely you guys are going to have a problem. And the previous formula, A, B, C, and then subtracting the intersection and adding the intersection of all the three. That is less likely. This is more likely. Okay, now let's solve few problems. Then you will understand you must have come across these type of problems in aptitude questions. Okay, let's solve few problems now. See the first one. In a group of 400 people, 250 can speak Hindi, 200 can speak English. How many people can speak both Hindi and English? Don't you think you have come across these kind of problems before? Right? See the first one. Let's solve the first one first. Very easy. Group of 400, that's the total. Okay. So n of A union B is equal to 400. Next, 250 can speak Hindi. So n of A, let's call it as 250. Okay. Then n of B is 200. All right. Now what they are asking is A intersection B, correct? Formula is what? N of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So we need n of A intersection B. So n of A intersection B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A union B. This is the formula. Apply the values. 250 plus 200 minus 400. So 450 minus 400, which is going to give you 50. So n of A intersection B gives you a value of 50. That means here the answer, that means how many can speak both, the answer becomes 50. Fair enough? This is the answer for the first question. Now let's do the next one. See the second one. If x and y are two sets such that x has 40, union has 60, intersection has 10, how many elements does y have? Now guys, what I want you to do is, please pause the video, solve the second and third one on your own, because it's the same logic and it's the same formula. Solve it, then you guys can cross check the answer, whatever you've got is right or not. All right, now let's do the second one. See, second one, we have n of x is equal to 40, then n of x union y is equal to 60, and then n of x intersection y is equal to 10. What we need is n of y. Again, what we can do, use the formula. N of x union y is n of x plus n of y minus n of x intersection y. I'm not going to keep n of y that side. Let's keep it as it is. So 60 is equal to 40 plus n of y minus 10. So 60 is equal to 30 plus n of y. So what do you get now? N of y is equal to 60 minus 30, which is equal to 30. So answer is 30. So we can write how many elements does y have? 30 elements. That's nothing but n of y. Fair enough. This is the answer for the second one. Now let's do the last one, the third problem now. See the third one. In a group of 70, 37 like coffee, 52 like tea. Each person likes at least one of the two drinks. How many people like both? Again, the same formula. Correct? So the third one. So n of coffee union tea is 70. Then n of coffee is equal to 37. Then n of tea is equal to 52. They're asking you both intersection. So you have n of C union T is equal to n of C plus n of T minus n of C intersection T. So you have 70 is equal to 37 plus 52 minus, I'll just call it as x. And so what do we have? X is equal to, see, first we do 37 plus 52, then minus 70, isn't it? So this is going to give us 89 minus 70. So x is equal to 19. So the answer is going to be 19, correct? That means here, how many people like both? The answer is 19. Fair enough? So I hope you guys got the same answer. Now, so these are the type of problems what you can expect in the exam as well as in certain aptitude type of questions where we have, we done the three sets A, B, C. Those kind of problems also you can expect. Okay, so these are certain types of problems based on the above concept.